Hi and welcome to Ultimate Tools. Okay, we got a nice couple of lovely new videos here for you on the Black Scorpion Letterbox Tool toolkits. There's two actual kits here. We've got one that's a starter kit, and then we've got the one that comes with the camera, the endoscope and everything. So what we're going to do is quickly look in the box of the actual starter kit. So if you want to do your zooming in, and do what you want there. This is the lovely, nice new case. We've separated the actual Letterbox tools up in from the drive to the actual basic kit itself, and to one with the camera. So therefore it's like a component form. You can upgrade and move along as you like, or if you just like a standard kit, you can just have the standard kit. This basically going to go through and what's in the actual standard kit. I'm going to quickly carry on watching there. Otherwise I'm going to rob one from here and put that over into here. Now, this kit has changed immensely. Mainly all of the stuff in this kit, it's like a V2 version of the original comprehensive kit that we used to sell. Okay, even in the sense of the actual U-shaped aluminium, the actual main handle that goes through the door. What's different to the original kit? It has a support stubby where you can hold it on the bottom there. We also have 4 adjustment holes here rather than 3, so you've got more adjustments. And also, quite noticeably, we have 4 holes at the top of the tube area. And when we go to the other actual kit, you'll see the reasons for that. The same in the sense of it goes together in the same manner as the original kit. It always has done. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4 extension rods. They go together in there. You push, and then the actual little clips clip together like that. Now, if you wanted to remove the actual extension piece, the way to do this is not to pull, is to depress the pins, push inwards, and then twist, and then pull out. And that's how you would actually remove and add your poles. Like I was saying, we have 4 different lengths. We have 2 extension pieces. We only used to have 1 in the original kit. These extension pieces again are a V2 extension piece because we have loads more incremental adjustments. Like you've got 4 on the side and 3 here. So therefore, if you want to adjust it by, say for instance, half a, like 10 mil or something, like half a centimetre, you can actually adjust that for yourselves. And we've got, like I said, we've got a long and a short one here. That's what comes in this kit. If the reason for that is if you wanted to go up halfway through the actual door, you can actually get that in there and put that in there. That's locked in now. And you can come in here, and then you can get the next longest one, and that would lock off. But the reason why we put another one in there, because some people would want to go longer still. So with one standard kit, you can see you get quite a long, hefty long length of tool, and it's still quite sturdy, and it won't come apart. These kits, they don't come apart because obviously they're all locking together. If that was too long, then you could just quickly slide it down a bit longer, and the further the rod goes in, the more sturdy it would get. Okay, see that there? So anyway, let's go back just to the standard holes and put the other one back in. So we leave this one together, and then we put them in this nice little case back in its configuration. Now, what we call is, I call personally, is a top hat. This is the universal top joint. They go in there. And then we have the threaded plastic nylon threaded nut. And then we have the rubber coated stubby on the top. Now that is mostly a standard configuration of a letterbox tool, used in that configuration probably 80% of the time to obviously go and pull the handle down on PVC doors. Obviously you might use a shorter pole if the letterbox is closer towards the handle, or if the letterbox is at the bottom of the door, you might want to use one that's a little bit longer. This is also a V2 rubber stubby because it's beveled, and that's for using like opening Ingersoll locks, and in later videos we'll show you how that's done and everything there. But that's a great little adaptation there. There's only one thing in this standard kit, yeah. If I can do that for you, look, rotate that round.
What about the head, 360?
Oh, there we go. We've got a thread in the end as well. Yeah. And that's for if you want to put a large washer on the end there to stop it slipping off.
And the head completely goes round?
Oh yes, yes. If you wanted to actually do like a union drawer lock, you can actually rotate it at another angle and it'll lock off at that angle. So when you come in through the door and you want to pull something at that angle, you can do that. Or if you want it around the other way, so when you got the actual PVC door handle, you can come on the inside of the PVC door handle rather than on the outside. That way it won't actually slip off. Okay, but this is on a universal. We'll quickly go through some other adaptations. I'll place that back there. We've also got what we call is like some spiders. They're kind of like key retrievers. You could use them for lots of things. This one here, because it's a straight spider, you can go at an angle and retrieve things from an angle, from a straight, sorry. We've got it, you can put it at a right angle, whatever you really want to achieve on it from there. And they're not saying again, like, because then you can adjust that round. You can to come onto the back of the door like that, okay, or like that. But also we've got a right angled one as well, and there's a reason for that. Let's quickly take this one off. So you have full adaptations for use on the kit. Well, that'd be around the other way, wouldn't it? To give it more distance. And we just wind them on with a nylon nut. This way, it means you allow you to pick things up off of the floor and still be able to retrieve it through the actual letterbox. Okay? And again, come from an angle. And there's one other little last addition that we put in the standard kit for you veteran locksmiths who've used your letterbox kit without an endoscope or a camera. Okay, is a magnet. Now these are earth magnets and they're very strong, so if you do have a pacemaker, don't put them anywhere near the pacemaker because they are very strong. It also comes with its health warning little brochure that we urge you to actually read because the magnets are so strong. But with that now, you can pick up and retrieve anything that's metal if you needed to from a distance with the other poles. You don't even need to use it with the handle. You just make an extension rod which has a magnet on the end, and then go again. And then you could personally order if you needed to. We do like what we call as a fish rod, which is like a 5-foot pole, which then would extend up to about 16 foot, and then you could add that on the end there with the magnet. So your world's your oyster with what you would like to try and achieve to receive or get with the actual magnet. The kit is so versatile. And there we go, that's what's in a standard kit. Thank you.